Hey, this is Joel the Drummer coming at you with my second video introduction. This is my fourth take on this, fourth try, because I've had lots of technical difficulties. This is proving to be harder than actually playing the drums, recording them, and syncing them up. We'll see what happens in editing. So this next video is me playing my 1983 Tama Superstar kit. It's all Birch. It is a 10, 12, 14, and 16-inch tom. When I bought it, it was a 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18-inch tom. Because I bought it in the 80s, you know, what can I say? It is recorded through a Behringer X32 rack. I am using E604s on the toms. I'm using an SM57 on the top of the snare and an E604 on the bottom. I'm using two AKG Precision 200s stereo on the overhead with a pretty wide spread. And I'm using an SM81 on the hi-hat. I'm also using a D112 in the kick drum. Hope you enjoy it. So this is how a Tama Superstar kit sounds with all that stuff on it. For comparison purposes, I've got some other videos that I played my Pearl kit with, and I'll continue to play the Pearl kit in videos. The difference is pretty minimal because the mics and EQing and all that are very similar, and the tuning is very similar because that's just how I like it to sound. I have a video now that I can go back and look at 10 years later so I can hear my old superstars. Hey Joel, 10 years from now. So here it is. Enjoy, or if you have insomnia, perhaps put yourself to sleep.